In this video, I will show you how to contact with Temu support on Temu. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Temu first, like this first. And you should go and click here on your profile. So you see here this headphone, click on headphone icon. And after that you will wait to see this page, and here this is some recommendation topics if you have like a problem. So here, if you have some order issue or shipping issue or delivery, return, refund, product, managing my account, payment. But if you have another problem, what you should do, just back here, and you see here still can't solve the problem, click contact us. And here you have you can talk directly with Temu servers, Temu, sorry, contact support. From here, just describe your problem or your trouble that you have, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.